Today I'm going to show you how to use voice typing in Windows 11. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is go into settings over here, and we are going to look for, on the left hand side, accessibility. Now, accessibility will give you a bunch of options. Let's go all the way down here to the speech. It says interaction, and then it says speech. So click on speech, and here it says voice access. So modern voice command features to help you interact with your PC and dictate text. Go ahead over here and click on this icon. This will change it from off to on, and it'll be in blue. Here you need to just give access, say continue, and now it will welcome you. So you need to download a language. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and choose the English that I would like to download. Click on agree and continue. It'll now download this, and this means when you're speaking, it will, first of all, recognize your accent. Secondly, it will spell words according to that language category, because American spelling and UK spelling is slightly different. So depending on where you are, this is the dictionary and the language that you will now download. Now give it a few seconds. At the top it says the language of voice access is now updating. Say voice access wake up, or you can just press the mic button to activate it. This is fantastic. So here you can set up your mic so you can connect it to a new device. So it'll be the device that you're currently using. You can choose the microphone. So I'm going to use this microphone. I'm going to click on add device, and now we're going to click on continue. Here you're going to see it says you're all set. I'm just going to say done because I don't want to go through the guide, but ultimately we now have access to voice. Right, so over here it says voice access is currently in sleep mode. To get started, say voice access wake up, and it should wake up. All right, you can also click over here, and this will now, as you can see, start recording my voice. Now, as a shortcut for this, you would like to maybe go into your accessibility again, and now we can go down. I don't know what it's going to do here. Go back down over here to speech. And here you can see it says press the Windows logo key plus Control plus S to turn this on and off. So that's Windows, Control and S, and you'll see that is now turned off. All right, so you can turn it on and off. You can also select it to start voice access before you sign into your PC, or after you have signed into your PC. Then we have voice typing over here, so you can dictate text with your voice. So it's the Windows key and H, as you can see over there. And that brings this up over here. You've got some settings which you can change, and then quite simply all you need to do is click on the record button and you will literally start recording.